Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the cube transition in CapCut PC. Alright, so select your photo video you like to edit and it's going to select as images. Edit, right? You're gonna just put the duration in 1.0 second for one click. Go to transition and select this slide and you can find the cube transition. Just download it and add to the clip. Just put the duration in 0.2 and apply it to all the clip. You can see for the final result like so. You can add the audio, text, sticker, effect, or anything you like to edit. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.